Peloton CEO is apologizing tonight as the company recalls about 125,000 of its treadmills.
And weeks ago, the company refused to pull them from the market, despite the products being linked to a child's death and nearly 30 injuries.
Yeah, Pick 7's Jay Dow is live outside of Peloton headquarters on the west side with more. And the company's next move from here, and also what you can do if you have one of these things in your home. Jay.
Corey, Peloton, one of the major innovators in turning old-fashioned exercise machinery into high-tech machinery, forced to admit its treadmill is not safe for customers in any form. Treadmills are complicated pieces of exercise machinery and a magnet for curious children. But this video, released last month by the Consumer Product Safety Commission, shows the $4,300 Tread Plus treadmill made by the company Peloton is also capable of sucking up a young child, a scary sight. Fortunately, the young boy in this video was not seriously injured.
Stay with me, Peloton, you got it.
After weeks of pushback against the CPSC's April warning for owners to stop using the Tread Plus if they have children or pets, Peloton finally, on Wednesday, agreed to recall in the U.S. all of its treadmills, offering full refunds and stop making them altogether.
If I had a child or something down here at the end.
The CPSC says there are at least 72 complaints of Tread Plus pulling people and objects under its belt, nearly half of them children, with reports of several injuries, including broken bones and at least one death of a 6-year-old child. Peloton CEO John Foley saying in a statement, quote, "I want to be clear. Peloton made a mistake in our initial response to the Consumer Product Safety Commission's request that we recall the Tread Plus. We should have engaged more productively with them from the outset. For that, I apologize."
It's clear that they really felt the pressure, and rightfully so.
Personal injury attorney John Bell says the treadmill recall could expose Peloton down the road in court.
This would be a strict products liability claim against Peloton, and it could be anything from a manufacturing defect, a design defect, or a failure to warn case. Now, the recall in most states can be used as circumstantial evidence against Peloton in this case.
If you own one of Peloton's treadmills, go to the company's website. There's information on the homepage on what to do in light of this recall. Robert Adler, the acting chairman of the Consumer Product Safety Commission, also released a statement which reads in part, quote, "The agreement between CPSC and Peloton is the result of weeks of intense negotiation and effort." Adler goes on to say, "Those who use exercise equipment want to be sure that the only pain they might feel at the end of a workout is a sore muscle from their exertion, not a serious injury from a defective product." We're live in Hudson Yards tonight. Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.